Hello friends, welcome again in this video. Today I have iPhone XS Max. Camera back glass is broken. And today I will show you how to replace your camera glass. It's very easy and you can replace in 1-2 minutes. It's not hard. Let's start. I will use my thinner as well. Mostly I'm using for many phones, for many repairs. Look, there is here missing little piece from here and have a hole, and I will put screwdriver here, little lift up the glass. After thinner, put this side. Easy, very. After clean, all edges. Carefully, don't need the test to go inside on the camera. Please make sure you clean very nicely all the edges. And after physically check, camera lens is okay, not have a dust or anything else. If you feel something is dusty or inside in the camera, clean with soft something with tissue, or you can use this one. And make sure it's clean, everything is clean, no dusty or something. Then must be check, turn on camera and check. Is okay everything. Taking pictures, making videos, zoom. If when you make sure everything is working fine, after then put the new lens, please. Already is double tape is there, sticky tape, or you can put the glue as well on the edges if you don't have. After then, carefully after then you need to look. One is tiny hole is here and here is for mic. You need to put in this side. come on the right place. Yeah, and little press. Look, it's done. In 1 minute you can replace your camera glass. Thank you very much. Hopefully this video is helpful for you. See you in the next video. If you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe channel for the next video. See you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.